Pan-African Resources is a precious metals producer with gold mining assets in Mpumalanga. It's in the process of acquiring the Evander mine from Harmony. It has a market cap of 3.7 billion rand, a price to earnings ratio of 9.6 and a dividend yield of 2.8%. Pan-African Resources. Look at him smiling broadly. As I said, can't get enough of the resource stocks. We've got to start with you again, Tsepo.
I think you'll probably have an endless amount of guests who come and tell you the gold story. And I think the more you have QE version, I think we're on 3 now, maybe 4, 5, 6, I don't know, whatever you want to call it.
So many we've lost track.
So many we've lost track. I think what we've seen from that is definitely a solid gold price, if not one that's rallying. The truth is what you want out of any miner is low cost, increasing production. Those two factors is heaven from a miner perspective, and this is one that has low costs and increasing production quite strongly. So from our perspective on the valuations that you're getting a top quality asset here.
He's so excited he's backing to actually give me all the detail here.
We're talking about the old Eastern Transvaal consolidated gold mining assets. I'm sure you remember ETC from the 1980s and 1990s. I mean, these are not reef-based gold like we have in the Wits area. It's greenstone belt gold. So you're running around the chasms of the mountain around Barberton there looking for the old adits with the gold and so on. But miraculously, this management team, Jan Nelson and so on, managed to find a big new gold deposit at the old Consort mine and even to find more gold at Sheba. Anyway, so that's that. Then they're going to buy Evander. That's a 1.5 billion rand acquisition that they're pulling off. So that's, you know, on the N17 as you drive out there as well. That's sort of some extremity of the Wits belt. Quite an interesting thing. So a big deal for them. I'm not quite sure why Harmony is selling it, but these guys have managed to convince the equity market, in particular Investec and Coronation, to back the rights issue that's going to be necessary to buy the asset. So here we go. They're going to be bulking up. They're going to be a 200,000 ounces a year gold producer. But they're one of the few gold producers that share price chart actually looks quite good, because all the others are trapped in, you know, labor and electricity and all the other drama that's going on there.
In terms of the share price, you're obviously betting that it can go significantly higher from here. Am I pushing you too hard if I ask you for an anticipated level?
Oh, wow. Yeah, you're unlikely to get a level from me. The thing that I will tell you is that, again, the fundamentals are backing this gold price. I mean, this rampant increase in share price. As I said, production's increasing. The Evander asset will actually double their production. So you'd expect, again, the share price to keep up.
You can't blame me for trying to finesse it out of you. Or hot or not, on Pan-African Resources.
Of the gold stocks. My sense generally is, you know, economic prosperity returns. People forget about gold. Gold price goes down. You don't want to own stocks like this.
Well, at least you're consistent. At least you're consistent on your gold story. Hot or not on Pan-African Resources, Tsepo?
Again, I think it ticks all the boxes from a miner perspective. So hot from our side.